should you freelance as a web developer if you are a complete junior, meaning you have zero experience? I'm just gonna get straight to the answer. Yes. If you get the opportunity to work as a freelance web developer with a client, then you need to jump on that opportunity. Honestly, if you're self-taught and if you're a junior developer, you need to jump on any opportunity you get. A lot of the times people are scared to work for free or to do stuff, you know, like build a website for free or anything like that. All of this is experience, especially when you're a self-taught developer. You're a high-risk developer because employers hiring you is a high risk for them because you're self-taught. You're not backed by a recognizable boot camp. You don't have a computer science degree. You don't have 2 or 3 years working for an agency or anything. You don't have anything. You have no experience. So any opportunity you get, you need to jump on. That's how I started. I started with some small clients, some family members that I just built websites out for them, and then I added that to my resume, to my portfolio. Then I showed those websites to other people, and that's how I started getting paid clients. And then as I got paid clients, I started adding that to my portfolio, to my resume, and then I showed that to future clients. And that's how you build your portfolio. That's how you build your career, basically. One thing to keep in mind though, since you are a junior developer and you don't have any prior experience at all, it is going to be difficult. It's going to be very difficult for you, and it's going to be very stressful, but you need to be in that mindset that, okay, I'm gonna have to, put more than 100% into this, and I'm gonna have to put in that extra time to learn whatever it is. For example, let's say they want a product and they want it built out in Tailwind instead of just CSS, and you only know CSS. So you're gonna have to put in that extra time at night to learn the basics of Tailwind, to take a look at the documentation, and to use Tailwind because that's what the client wants, So you need to be willing to put in the extra time, the extra effort, and you need to be ready to learn. You need to be ready. I'm serious, it's not easy, especially when you're a junior developer, and I'm saying it from experience. When I started working, it was very stressful. When I started getting freelance clients, when I started getting bigger clients, it was very stressful because with each client I had to learn a new tool. Literally for each new product that I've worked on, I've had to learn a new tool. And when I started, I just knew HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript, and now I know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Tailwind, some TypeScript, Bootstrap, a lot, and of course, I'm grateful for that because all of these are going on my resume and on my portfolio, and they're going to help me to grow my career and to find more clients. So to answer the question shortly, yes, even if you're a junior developer, even if you have no experience, if you get the chance to freelance, to get a freelance client, jump on it and do it. It's not going to be easy, but you can do it. And if you have any questions about freelancing or web development or front-end development, please leave them in the comments and reach out to me. Check out all of my videos, and I hope that all of this, or at least a part of it, was helpful, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.